What's up, YouTube? Wesley here again with the Do-It-Yourself Mushroom Enthusiasts. Today we're going to be going over my incubation chamber. This will be a pretty short video as it's really easy to make, but a lot of people on these different mushroom growing groups have been asking about it, so I figured I would make a short, quick video on how I made mine. There are companies that are selling them. They generally cost about $140 plus shipping to purchase if you do find them online, but you can simply make one for about $40 or less. So with that being said, let's get into it. Alright, so this is my setup. It's had a little bit of improvement since the last video. Still waiting on a few more blocks, all-in-one blocks in there to colonize. Usually I try to have at least 2 or 3 in the shotgun fruiting chamber, but the last 2 finished out. This one is still going. It's actually a 5th flush, and I got a couple little guys sprouting out on the side there. It just looks really brown right now because I did soak it for like 12 hours. For some reason, every time I do that, the mycelium seems to turn almost back to like the substrate color on me. But that's what we got going on. Gonna have some shoebox text going there soon, and then just some supplies, my still air box, my pressure cooker. I'm actually gonna get a black cover to put around this, and that's why I have the board up there, because I cut it just slightly wider than the frame is built, and I ordered the cover slightly wider too, by about 4 inches, just to give it some breathing room, so when my automatic fan that I'm going to be installing in there soon has some breathing room for fresh air exchange and all that. So watch out for those videos. I'm actually just waiting on the terrarium humidifier to attach to this, along with the fan and some controllers, to actually make it a automatic shotgun fruiting chamber. And onto the incubation chamber. So you can find these seedling mat temperature gauges for around $20 to $30, depending where you look on Amazon or online. And I just use a little bit of DFT and a tiny screw that doesn't really protrude to the back side, and attached it there. A little bit of black duct tape just to hold the cords down. Don't have to do that if you don't want to. I didn't have my drill on me, it was at work. Actually, I still need to remove those burrs, but I haven't done that yet. Keep meaning to, I just keep forgetting. So I just heated up a steak knife and cut a hole that was big enough to run the cord through, to run power to the seedling mat off of the power that's supplied by the thermostat regulator. And then I put a grommet on there just to protect the wire, and then I have the power cord running over to a power strip. And then up here on top I got the thermostat running around, and up top, and I just drilled like a little 3/16 inch hole and ran it through that and taped it. And that is my incubation chamber. I mean, simple as that. A couple bags in here and a few jars going right now. I guess I could give you guys a peek. So I just pop this up. So inside of here we have 3 jars going. I have a monster mushroom grow bag back there, and a ryeberry bag that is almost ready to put to a shoebox tech. And there's still tons of room in here. A lot of the ones you can buy don't have very much room. You can fit 3 or 4 bags, and that's about it. I mean, I could still stack at least like 4 shoebox techs in here if I wanted to, and maybe have like another bag over here before I would really be full. So a lot of room in it. I just got the tote from Walmart for 16 bucks. It's supposed to be for Christmas tree storage or whatever, but you know, you can always repurpose things. And that is my DIY incubation chamber / spawn box, whatever you want to call it. I keep my temperature around 82, so that's where they seem to like it at for me. Say hi, Coda. That was my puppy Coda. But yeah, so that is my incubation chamber. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. And I will definitely be doing more videos on DIY mushroom growing gear that you can make yourself as well. Thank you again, and have a wonderful day.